Hi guys, I am Chef Anayata Dhondi and here I am welcoming you to my kitchen. We've got a whole range of recipes which are global but most importantly with Indian local seasonal ingredients. Every recipe that we showcase here will have a flavor from all over the world, but most importantly will be yummy, will be healthy and will be nutritious. So let me show you the ingredients and let me tell you what we're going to be cooking. So today's recipe is actually an Asian recipe. I keep missing traveling to Thailand to ja nahi sakte, but we can bring Thailand into our kitchen. And an ingredient that I want to share with you is this butternut squash. अब आप सोच रहे होंगे कि ये क्या है, but it's actually from the kaddu family or the pumpkin family, and it's very easily available and it's grown in India. So let me show you how this looks from inside, and we're going to be making a salad which is super simple. You can make it with this, a butternut squash, or you can even make it with regular kaddu at home. So let me show you the ingredients and let's get cooking. So if you see the inside of this butternut squash, it's like a chota sa pumpkin. You will see that the seeds are quite large and the color is quite orange. What we want to do is, if you try peeling the skin, it's very difficult to peel. So don't peel the skin, just cut them up into small batons because we're going to be putting this into the oven, or you can even put this into your air fryer. It takes about 20-25 minutes to bake. And because it's a healthy recipe, we want to make sure that we are not frying it, but we're baking it. So I'm just scooping out the seeds. And we'll slice this up. A little drizzle of olive oil, salt, pepper, and we will put it into a preheated oven at 190 or 200 degrees for about 20 minutes. And we will be popping this into the oven for about 15 to 20 minutes till cooked. So we've put the butternut squash into the oven. It's going to be cooking for about 10 to 15 minutes. Till then, let's quickly make our salad and our salad dressing. So as I'm adding sliced onions, you can also add more vegetables like sliced carrots. You can put some radish if it's in season. But since this is an authentic Thai salad recipe, but using Indian local ingredients, I want to keep it as simple as possible. So now that the onions are cut, let's quickly make the salad dressing. So we've got some soy sauce. You can use some light soy sauce. So we'll be adding some palm sugar, which adds the sweetness. Now you can use jaggery, you can use normal chini also, but I'm using some palm sugar. Into this, we'll be adding some spring onions. We'll be adding the sliced onions. And since it's a very fresh salad, और इंडिया में भी बहुत धनिया और पुदीना यूज़ होता है, there's going to be lots of fresh coriander with the stem. So we'll just take this and slightly break it. The stem is actually something that gives all the flavor. तो stems को कभी नहीं फेंकते, especially in chutneys, marinades. So you just use all of this together. And some fresh mint leaves. Lastly, we'll be adding a little bit of salt. Some pepper. Lime juice. always a salad is actually a mix of sweet, sour, tangy, little bit of spicy. So I'm adding the sesame seeds, white and black sesame seeds. Just lightly give this all a really good mix. So just to make sure we have that element of spiciness, a little bit of chili flakes. Just mix it all up. So our salad topping is ready. It's as easy and delicious as this is. And all we need to do is check on our butternut squash if it's ready or not. So our butternut squash is ready. आप color देख सकते हो. It's got this gorgeous caramel color. दोनों side से पका हुआ है. And what we're going to do is we're not going to wait any longer. We're going to plate up. तो हमने एक bowl लिया हुआ है. You can take a flat bowl, you can take a regular bowl, whatever you might like. And with the help of tongs, क्योंकि अभी भी गरम है, we're just going to place these at the bottom. So I'm just pouring a little bit of the dressing. Garnish it with a little bit of sesame seeds, some spring onions, and this beautiful butternut squash salad is ready. Salads are never boring. They can be healthy and nutritious. I can't wait to eat. I hope you guys try this recipe at home.